If you're looking for a portable green screen setup that gives you everything that you need except for the camera, check this out. NearStream sent me the VK40 to check out. It's their complete studio kit that gives you everything that you would need to set up real quick and get the shot that you need, whether it be whatever it is. And I mean, they literally give you the green screen, the stands to hold the green screen, the stands for the lights. They give you soft boxes, the key light, the bulbs. They give you everything you need except for the camera. You know what I mean? So let's get into it. And before I get into it, let me just say all my words are my own. They sent this for me to review. And you know what it is. I say what I want to say. I do what I want to do. I got bars. Let's go. All right. So like I said, NearStream sent me their all-in-one green screen travel-friendly system. All right. And I got to say, it's pretty good. So what do you get? You get a 9.8 backdrop, all right? You get the stands. These are the stands right here. Now, these stands, you know, they're not, you know, high quality professional, but if you don't beat them around a lot, you should be okay with them. You know, they're basic, you know, stands, you know what I mean? So they'll work if you're not moving around all over the place. So, you know, it is what it is, but you got all of the stands that you need, okay? Like I said, they give you, I got a bunch of them. They give you this light here too. Nice, we'll talk about that a little later. This is already one of their stands, all right? They give you this bad boy, which is your stands in order to hold the green screen. They give you that. What else? They give you clamps in case you need to stretch out the green screen. They also give you soft boxes, which is cool. And they give you 2 bulbs. Now these bulbs, you know, they're a bit old school, I ain't gonna lie. You know, but 45 watt bulbs, I believe. They give you 2 of these. So, you know, like I said, if you're doing something simple, need something simple to walk around, to travel with, this actually can do it, you know what I'm saying? They give you all the stands, 2 soft boxes, a light, and I actually like this light. The stands to hold the green screen and the green screen. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna set it all up, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. So let's get back to it. Yeah, I was really impressed by how easy the softbox were. You know, I love that the rods were already in there. You just had to press down and then put the bulb in. Simple, fast, easy. And that's what I loved about this whole process. There's also Velcro on the side to hold on to the diffusing material. As you see, it's very simple. It's very easy, man. Because we all know some of these soft boxes could be headaches. Now I'm setting up the stands for the actual backdrop. And the tube itself is pretty long. I mean, the kit includes a 9.8 feet by 9.8 feet green backdrop and a 9.8 feet by 8.5 feet backdrop stand support system. You know, and it goes pretty high, but you don't even need to have it that wide. If you want to, you can shorten it down so it's not as wide. And now I'm just clearing that out. Now I'm going to grab the clamps that are included in the kit just to tighten up the screen a bit to get rid of the wrinkles. Now that's what it looks like with no light. Now let me turn on the softbox light. Let me turn on the other one, and there you go. Okay, so this is me lit with only the NearStream lights, their whole setup, their whole back, everything. And this is what it looks like. Now, let's do some green screen key. There you go. You can do this too. It's fast, easy, portable, and it works fine. And it's easy to set up. I thought the lights were gonna be a headache, but they're not. They're so easy to set up. Thank God they did that. They already put the rods inside, so it's easy. Easy setup. And now let's go back. And if you don't know how to shoot green screen, make sure to visit my website today. Download some video tutorials. I got you. just in case, I'm just saying. So as you see, the green screen looked perfect. It was flawless, and it was done by this little studio kit. I did not use any other lighting, nothing, just what they gave me. And you see the results were great. It's fast, it's easy, and it just works. You know, it's simple, it's portable. It just works. So the price point is around $217. You cannot complain about this thing. Like, it gives you everything. Who is this for? It's for anyone who wants to do content creation, who loves doing green screen, whether you're a streamer, podcaster, whether you do photography, product photography, and you don't even need to keep the green screen cloth all the time. Take it off, get some light background colored paper, and now you got other things that you could do. They gave you the stands. They give you everything that you need. So, you know, this is great for product photography, but green screen is great because, you know, you get your product there and then you could take the green screen off and place it, you know, place another image behind it. So there's a lot of uses in order to have green screen. And I think this is something that if you travel, you know, or you're thinking about maybe traveling, you don't want to bring this big old bulky stuff. They give you everything you need in one bag. I mean, it's dope. I can't even lie. It's dope. I personally think the bulbs could be a little brighter, but as you see, it still did the job. And that's the whole point. The key was simple. It was fast. It didn't take me a long time to even get it keyed out. It was very good. You know, so I have no gripes on that end. What could be fixed? What could be better? The stands are, you know, the stands are pretty cheap, but like I said, if you take care of them, they could last. I really like the system, and I really love this key light here. Sometimes you buy these things and obviously you don't just use it just for that product. I like this light for doing product stuff because it tilts. It tilts, so I place it down like this usually. Then I'll raise it like this, have my product down here. So this is, the closer this is, it's gonna have nice soft light, you know, coming down on it. And it works great. So I think this is a great light for that type of stuff too. And I use it all the time. Ever since I got it, I've been using it for my product reviews too. So I think that's dope. Now, the remote is cool, it's basic, it's simple. I like the remote. It works well. It syncs up very fast, but there's no way to read. There's no read on this. I don't know. I gotta guess. I gotta just click until I think, okay, that gotta be 100%. It doesn't show me any numeric values, nothing. It goes from 2700 to 6500. And I would appreciate it if they had some type of quick readout on it. That's all. Other than that, you know, it works well. It does what it's supposed to do. It's fine. So if you think this is something you've been looking for, a quick, easy, portable green screen or backdrop setup, make sure to go pick it up. Got the link in the description below. If you use it, I get a little something with no extra cost, you know, to you. Other than that, I appreciate you checking it out. And NearStream, appreciate you also for supporting the channel. Other than that, y'all, subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out.